The MetaQuest 3 is Meta's newest mixed reality VR headset, released on October 10th, 2023. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this headset and telling you if it's worth it or not. The MetaQuest 3 has rated up to 2.9 hours for its battery life, and it takes about 2 hours to charge it. I will go ahead and display a list of all of the specs on screen right now. This headset is powered by the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Generation 2. Meta says that this gives the Quest 3 twice the amount of graphics processing power of the Quest 2. I'm going to be opening up this headset for you guys and showing you what all comes inside the box. So inside we have the two controllers and the MetaQuest 3 itself. Comes with little instructions here on how to tighten up the headset. This little rectangular box comes with the cords inside for the headset to charge it. I'm going to go ahead and do a comparison of the MetaQuest 3 controllers with my old MetaQuest 2 controllers. Off the bat, you can notice that the rings on these are not on the MetaQuest 3, but they still work the exact same. It does not devoid any of the tracking elements that come with it. Other than that, I would say that these controllers are very similar to the MetaQuest 2 controllers, as they feel pretty much the exact same. I would say that the MetaQuest 3 controllers are a little bit smaller. Let's move on to the headsets now. The big key differences here with the two headsets is that the MetaQuest 3 is a lot slimmer than the MetaQuest 2. This one's a bit more thick on the white end. Meanwhile, the MetaQuest 3 is not nearly as thick on the white part of it. You'll also notice that it comes with these three little cameras here. They are used for RGB for full color pass-through. Meanwhile, the MetaQuest 2 does not have these, so we just have black and white pass-through. Besides that, there are really no major differences outside these headsets, although the MetaQuest 2 does have these cameras on the side, while the MetaQuest 3 does not, because it only needs these three cameras on the front of it. Overall, I would definitely say that the MetaQuest 3 is worth the extra $200. If you're just looking for a budget headset, however, the MetaQuest 2 is still a great option, as it's only $300 compared to the $500, but I'd say the extra features make it worth the $200. Thanks for watching.